so sexy. Look at that. Just keep them.
The life, man.
I know, they get chauffeured around 24/7.
Even some adults.
Yeah, see? Same thing. Except she's not kicked back. You need to have laid
She
back
looks
roll.
stressed.
Yeah. Too many people around. Looking at too many butt cracks.
Oh, that's the
Wait,
hardest
check
part.
this one out. Hold on.
I'm ready to fall forward.
She's fighting it. She's fighting it. Look at. I'm not going to sleep. Not going to sleep. Not going to sleep.
Oh, no.
Nope, not doing
Can't
it.
make me.
No, this one's hitching a ride. Hitching a ride. Hitching a ride.
There's Honor.
Oh, this is one. What has happened to everybody?
What do you mean what's happening to everybody?
Everybody's hitching a ride these days.
Oh yeah, I know. They're all freeloaders.
Even the bugs. Look at that baby. Look at that baby.
Oh,
That one's just all, oh.
She's exploring. She's finding all the different things.
Oh,
It's a
that's cool.
backpack and
Look at, okay, so there we go. That does not say shank on hers. On the front of her scooter, it says shank.
oh, nice. Damn, that's bright shoes.
Can't lose them.
Sunglasses are bright.
Somebody needs to dress code that.
She's got the guys that are sitting on top of each other on her tattooed on her leg. Those guys from Disney,
What guy?
from the Haunted Mansion that sit on top of each other's necks.
Oh, the haunting ghosts or whatever?
Yeah, the ones that like, when the house like sinks or the thing sinks,
Oh,
and
yeah.
you see the guys sitting on top of each
Really?
other. That's what
That's
she had
cool.
tattooed on her leg.
That's a cool tattoo.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
She still needs to be dress coded.
A lot of people around here do. I'm recording.
Dress code violation. Dress
Yeah,
code
except
violation.
if there were dress codes here, do you know how hard of a time I would have?
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I
You wouldn't,
would.
no, you wouldn't.
You wouldn't be dress coded.
Yeah, I would. They'd be like, your boobs are out. And be like, well, I can't exactly help it.
No, you don't wear spaghetti straps. You don't wear shorts with your butt hanging out.
Yeah, of course, wouldn't be as crowded. But then they wouldn't be paying as much money, would they?